So guys, we are now entering the most trading hours which I'm most active while doing my trading, guys. The market right now is about to get intense since these hours. When I know these hours have reached, I'm always super active, and this is the hours whereby I lock in most of my profits when I'm trading, when I'm day trading, guys. And as I told you, every investment involves risk. So this is the disclaimer. I won't repeat the disclaimer again. Every investment involves risk, and therefore you should invest what you can afford to lose. I'm not saying that you will lose money, but it's always good to invest what you can afford to lose, and don't gamble. This is investing. This is why I must research first before I place any of my trades, guys. So right here, we're going back to my dashboard. Charter communications right here is just about starting to get profitable, and right there is it has started getting profitable. And now I will prepare myself. I see how many times I can tap into this stock and see. So right now I'll just monitor it and prepare to close anytime I see a profit which I can lock in. I'm ready as ever to close at any time. All right. Let's wait and see. 7, 8. I close it right there, guys. 8. Is it good? 8. And when I wait, it drops. So let's see. Let's see how far it can go. I'm yearning to close it any moment from now. I just want to see 10, man. I'll tap that. 10. Hold up. Let's see. It has dropped again. I could have just closed it at the 10, but if it has that potential. Let's see, it's coming back soon. Definitely it might even surpass $10. If I can make such trades of $10 in a day, maybe up to 5 trades, that's $50 in one day with eToro. And at times I can make even up to 10 trades. 10. That's $100, guys. It all depends on how the market is and where you entered. So position is very also important. Make sure to get at the lowest of the lowest position so that you be more profitable. I can say that on chartered communications, since I had done some good research about it, I entered a good position since I saw that it is down and it has performed down. It went down than the normal trend it usually has. Therefore, I saw an irregular pattern in the market, so I tapped to it and took it while it was down. You should learn to identify irregular patterns in the market, guys. This is why I'm saying that if you would like to work with us in this journey, I'll just make sure to drop link. Ding, I've closed it, guys, and I've locked in my profit right here. Just locked in the profit, and you see portfolio is now empty, and I now have my money on my balance together with the profit that I have made, guys. And so right now I go and check out and decide which other I'll tap into. Maybe I'll just tap into chartered communications still again, since it still has not gone so far. I'm so glad I showed you this, guys. I have never recorded while trading live before, but this time I've decided that I will be doing it more regularly. So my full balance is right here together with all the profit that I've made. And now this is how it goes, guys. This is how it goes. No pending orders. So now I still have some charter communication, and I can tap again into this, since to me it's impressive, you know. Let's see. Chartered communications, it has been performing very awesomely over and over again. Period of 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, it surely just performs very well. And it was in a dip when I decided to take it. So guys, this is how I do my trades. I normally search for companies which always perform well but have shown a decrease in their performance and have made a dip, and I normally like taking these companies when they have taken a dip, so that when they start to recover, I can tap into that wave and tap into the profits which get into those waves. The ups and the dips. You might have heard this term before. It's used a lot, and you must be also really careful by tapping into the ups and the dips, and make sure you don't get caught up in an up position which is above than average, since this might really lock in your money for a long time. When I'm making my trades, I usually don't like my money sleeping on the market, unless at times which the market has closed with no profit. But I really avoid my money from sleeping in the market. I make sure I trade and I lock in all my profits, no matter how much profit I've made. I make sure to lock it all. And so guys, we have reached at the end of this video. I'll do more such videos, guys, as I'm showing you my live trading dashboard. And make sure to check the links at the description area below, and I'll see you all right in the next video. Cheers, guys. Subscribe, like, and share.